we would like to introduce FANUC handling assembling robots. LRMA 200 ID series are small, lightweight and fast robots. In addition to the standard type, the extensive lineup, such as short arm, long arm, clean type, washing type, and 5-axis high-speed type, is available to support various applications. ER4IA is a cost-effective robot that limits functions, such as axis speed, while keeping the reliability of LRMA 200 ID4S. M10ID and M20ID series are middle-size handling robots, with an capability to integrate process cables in the upper arm. Various cables and tubes, used for a gripper control, can be integrated in the arm. M20IB series have IP67 sealed structure, and cables and motors are not exposed. M20IB series are suitable for various applications, such as handling, assembling, and deburring, in dusty or splashing environment. M710IC series are medium payload handling robots, with a payload capacity of 12 kilograms to 70 kilograms. Cables and motors are not exposed. M710IC series are reliable in various applications, such as dusty or splashing environment, machine tending, deburring, and die-cast. R1000IA series are medium-sized robots, with a payload capacity of 80 kilograms to 130 kilograms. The slim arm is suitable for high-density layout of robots. M800IA60 is a high-accuracy robot, and can be used for applications that require high trajectory accuracy, absolute position accuracy, high rigidity, such as laser welding, laser cutting, water jet cutting, and drilling. R2000IC series have many variations with a payload capacity of 100 kilograms to 270 kilograms, various reaches, and multiple installation types, such as floor, rack, and upside-down mounting. R2000IC 210WE, with the enhanced waterproof performance, is designed for wash environment, and can be used in the washing booth. M900IB series are heavy payload robots, with a payload capacity of 280 kg to 700 kg. M2000IA series are super heavy payload robots, featuring a capacity of up to 2,300 kg in a long reach. M2000IA series contributes to the automation of heavy load transportation, such as a completed car, long building materials, large aircraft parts, and large machined parts. M410IB and M410IC series are large-size palletizing robots, which contribute to the robotization for logistics. Suitable robot models can be selected according to the workpieces. FANUC's Delta Robot series are suitable for high-speed sorting and transportation tasks. A suitable robot can be selected based on required size, axis configuration, surface treatments, and lubricants that take food hygiene into consideration. Delta robots contribute to the automation in the fields of food, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, and other industries. SCARA Robot series are horizontal articulated robots. Their payload capacities are from 3 kilograms to 20 kilograms. Lightweight arms and high performance, based on the servo technology, realize a continuous motion with high accuracy. SCARA robots contribute to increasing productivity.